So here it is, the doggy lift. Just came in the mail. I have an unboxing. If you have a dog that doesn't like having its nails clipped or things like that, then this is supposed to be the tool for you. Hold on while I just get through this box. Just 1 second. Please bear with me, this is my first unboxing video. This is my first unboxing video, bear with me. So, it says "Who's a Good Dog" on the box. Nicely packaged. Come hang with us, go figure. Doggy lift. So, it's a billing receipt rather. There's an extra large harness that we had to get for him because the guy's not the smallest of dogs. And it's a fair size harness. Hopefully it'll work on him. That's what the plan is. These are 2 straps, I believe. One will go at the front of him, and the other one and attached to the harness. These are the bars. And the crossbeam part. So, looks like everything's here. I will be putting up another video on the installation of it. And then probably another one on trying to clip my guy's nails. Talk to you then.